What in the holy heck is going on with this? Started grinding this door down. And I don't know if they have some kind of wiring or something in this door. What the hell is that? What the hell? Look at this. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Wow, that's what they used to help fill in the hole, huh? Never seen that trick before. Look at that. What in the hell? You guys ever seen that done before? That's a new one to me. That's a new one. That's a heck of a trick. Okay, this is where I'm at on the Tahoe. Pretty much ready to put some metal glaze over that. Had to put a little bit of fiberglass on this spot right there where there was just no metal left. Still have to sand it down. Got this door looking pretty good. We'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it'll last in a few years. A couple of years at least before it starts bubbling out again. It's just so much was gone right there. And these things were pretty rusty. But it's all pour 15. I'm going to put a little seam sealer down here too. Hopefully that'll last them a while. Had a couple holes here. Just glassed them in. Got this nasty mess right here I got to deal with now. This is what was in it. Good old chicken wire and fiberglass. So, alright, I'm going to show you how to fix a rust out hole on your vehicle at home, basically, in your garage. I cut out what was bad, left what was good, treated this with one-stop rust converter, ground it back down, inside and out. Cut a bunch of pieces of fiberglass matting. I have 2 ounces of fiberglass resin in the cup. So I need to put 20 drops of the hardener in it because it calls for 10 drops per ounce. I'm going to take this, stick it up in here, stick it up in the inside of the hole the best I can. I'm going to tape it up so it doesn't fall out. Once that dries, I'm going to do the same thing again on the outside around here. And it should be a nice strong repair that should last quite a while. Getting my fiberglass matting dipped real good, and I'm going to put it in here. Sorry for the shaky cam. Nice soaked piece of fiberglass matting. We're going to come up here, try to place it up in here where we want it. Make sure she's stuck good. Where we want it to be. Like so. And we'll do go. The other side's trying to fall out. Very messy. Very messy. Alright, let's try to get another piece shoved up in there. Try to put a piece in right there. Looks like it didn't stick too good right there, but that's okay because all that's going to get sanded off anyway. The rest of it seems to be stuck down pretty good. Okay, after about, shoot, I don't know, 100 layers of fiberglass matting, finally got to where I could put some Bondo glass on it. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere now. That should last a long time. Isn't that nice? That's where the handle goes. That side don't look too bad. That side, yeah. So we'll clean that up, get some Pour 15 on it. I don't know why I say we. I'll clean that up and get some Pour 15 put on it.